Gibson. Kitty, how come you never talk to me anymore?
Because he's dumb.
Oh, you don't really think he's dumb, do you?
Yeah.
Sylvester. Kitty, that's mean. Say sorry.
No.
Kitty. Sylvester, what is with you? You've been mean all week. Say sorry.
Burn.
Burn? Sylvester, what is with this burn crap? Just say sorry.
No.
Sylvester, you be nice. I've had it. You live here with Gibson and Shelby. You need to be nice.
Burn.
Burn. Sylvester, come on, buddy. Hey, don't walk away. Hey, apologize to him.
No.
Sylvester.
Burn.
Kitty. Dude, what is up with you lately?
Other kitties just like me, we seem the same, but thankfully I'm the only smart one in this stupid, stupid world. All they do is lay and sit and eat and sleep and piss and shit. No one has a purpose in this stupid, stupid world. I know I might seem angry, but the truth is I don't care. It's a stupid, stupid world out there. Cause there's Gibson, all he says is help the dog so dumb she'll chase her tail. Everything is pointless in this stupid, stupid world. Tuna's good and pooping's fun, I sleep all day, this world is dumb. Nothing ever makes sense in this stupid, stupid world. And 9 lives is too much for me, I swear it isn't fair to be in such a stupid world. If I pay attention carefully and write it in my diary, then everyone will know about this stupid, stupid world. I never leave my home because my human closes doors on us, and everything is stupid in this stupid, stupid world. Like Gibson, Steve, and what's her name, I hope they all burst up in flames. Such a stupid world out there. It's a stupid, stupid world. 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 I know I might seem arrogant, but trust me, I'm aware of it. In such a stupid world out there. It's such a stupid, stupid world out there.